How to know if someone have blocked you on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Now if someone have blocked you on Facebook, then there are a few tricks that you can try out to find out if you have been blocked. So first of all, what you can do is open up the Facebook application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now if you have any doubt on an account and feel like you have been blocked too, then what you can do is search for that account on your Facebook account. In order to do so, once you land on your home page, tap on the search icon from the upper right corner, and now here search for that specific account. And if that account's profile load up on your interface and you will be able to see that account, then you can make sure that you have not been blocked. Or if you are not able to find that profile, then that means you have been blocked by that account. So this was the first way. Now the second way is that if you open up the Messenger application and if you are already logged in, now if you go and see and check the message, and you will not be able to send message to that account anymore if you have been blocked too. Or if you go and simply navigate to their profile by tapping on the profile icon from the upper left corner and go to their profile, then you won't be able to visit their profile anymore. That will says that the content is not available, and in this way you can know that you have been blocked on Facebook. So these are the way that will let you know if you have been blocked on Facebook. And I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.